In today's infrastructure projects, power, precision, and compact design are key to success. Introducing the DRILLJET HD60 by SkyDrillTech. A new generation horizontal directional drilling (HDD) solution, built for high performance in tight spaces. With its smart engineering and compact structure, the DRILLJET HD60 is perfect for urban job sites, residential areas, and challenging terrains. Measuring only 2,050 by 850 by 1,250 millimeters and weighing just 656 kilograms, it's extremely easy to transport and set up, even in the most restricted environments. Equipped with 52 millimeter drill rods, each 1,000 millimeters in length, the DRILLJET HD60 ensures durability and a 15-meter bending radius for smooth, accurate drilling. It offers up to 80 meters of drilling length, a 100 millimeter pilot bore diameter, and 260 millimeter back ream diameter, making it suitable for a wide range of underground projects. The system is powered by a 55 kilowatt hydraulic unit or compatible excavator, providing 9.3 tons, 46.4 kilonewtons, of pullback and thrust force. The high-capacity drilling fluid system delivers up to 85 liters per minute at 80 bar, ensuring continuous operation in demanding soils. Not only does it perform with strength and accuracy, the DRILLJET HD60 is also designed for comfort and ease. Its intuitive control panel allows for real-time parameter adjustments, reducing operator fatigue and increasing overall efficiency. With low maintenance needs, durable components, and energy-efficient operation, this machine is built to last, even under heavy use. Whether you're working in a narrow street or a rural field, the DRILLJET HD60 adapts to your needs with unmatched flexibility. Compact, powerful, and precise, the DRILLJET HD60 stands as a smart investment for professional HDD operations. To learn more and bring this advanced technology to your next project, get in touch with us today.